I'm Josh Gilmore, Sales and Marketing Training Specialist here at Samez North America. If you're looking to stay ahead in coding and bonding applications, one of the easiest ways to do that is by subscribing to our Samez e-News newsletter. When you sign up, you'll get direct access to the latest product updates and new releases, so you're always informed about the newest technology available. You'll also stay up to date on distributor programs, helping you take advantage of opportunities as they become available. We'll keep you informed on upcoming trade shows and events, so you know when and where to connect with us in person. Plus, you'll receive valuable educational and technical content, along with maintenance tips and best practices designed to help you improve performance, reduce downtime, and get the most out of your equipment. If you want to make more informed decisions, stay up to date, and keep your operation running at its best, subscribe to Samez e-News today.